Yung kabutihan ng puso. Okay. Okay. So, ano nyo ako? Supportahan nyo ako. Magpa-member ka na dito, DMJ. Raj, are you still here, Raj? Raj. Looking forward to be a member on our, at Aina Diana Click, okay? Hindi ka babaero ng isa kasi marami lang. Okay. So, be a member, Pinoy Raj, okay? Be a member, Raj. Happy Pinoy Raj. And DMJ pa member na kayo. Each and every one of you, I inviting you all to be a member, okay? Support me also by sending stickers, chat sticker, thanks sticker. If you want, okay? No force at all, okay? Up to you. Had your dinner? Yes. Me, I'm done my dinner. How about you, Raj? It's 12 midnight already here, of course. 12 midnight. Okay, thank you, Happy Noy, Raj. Thank you. Di mo makita ang puso. Hindi mo naman talaga nakikita ang puso kasi nasa kalooban yan. Niloloko mo ba ako, DMJ? Nararamdaman kasi ng puso yan, ng kalooban natin. Hindi mo talaga makikita yan. Yeah. Done dinner here, it's midnight already. I have to, Raj Pinoy. Happy Noy Raj. I have to. So DMJ, what place are very interesting to go there at Samar? As like beach, white sand beach, or what else? What else? DMJ, andiyan ka pa ba? Nanonood ka ba ng Widow's War? Nanonood ako Widow's War. Hello there, DMJ. Happy Noy Raj. Thank you for stay, and each and every one of you, thank you for joining. So you are all welcome to join at Aina Diana Click, okay? Everyone is welcome. Ayan, kasi hindi ka na nagpaparamdam dyan. Paki-share naman ng live. Share our live, guys. So, thank you, thank you.